Hello and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our replacement part for the Ford Fiesta Mk6 3-door tilting seat handles. The internal parts of the original handles can wear over time and snap and break, causing the stop end to mislocate, meaning the seat cannot be tilted. Another fault that can occur is that the latch handle can snap off completely, as shown here. To free the handle, use 2 screwdrivers placed between the material of the seat and the handle. Push in 2 clips and then pull upwards to release the handle. Now you need to tilt your seat forward. Using long nose pliers, pull the stop end outwards and tilt the seat forwards. Make sure the stop end is in an upright position, as shown. You can then align your handle over the space where it is to fit. There are 2 prongs on the underside of the new handle. Line these up with the piece of plastic that is sticking out from the top of the seat. Once you are happy with the alignment, push down and it will click into place. Once the handle is fitted, lift the latch and the stop end should locate in its correct position, as shown here. The seat is now able to be tilted forwards and placed backwards with a click. Installation is now complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments or would like any advice, you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Alternatively, you can call us on 01843 44 6643. Thank you.